Hi Jill and Brittany. I wanted to go ahead and give you a documented video of cutting with your die on the 1500 press. Your fish die here, I'm going to lay your material. You can do 2 layers of this as I explained to Jill on the live demo. You can lay 2 layers down on top here with your cutting board up on top. You've got a slide it in, push it, you can hear it crunch through. As soon as the air fills up, you can slide it right back out. And you've got material for your die. Cuts out really nice and clean. You get 2 layers, so you get 6 pieces at a time for that. I think that's going to be the max with this type of die. Now, as I explained to Jill earlier, you can actually get a different die for your, if you order another type of die with a different pattern. You might want to think about getting an acrylic based die that is 1.25 inches tall. That means you can get a little bit more thicker stack of material. With this is only a 0.937 die. You're very limited as to how much cutting you can get done with this type of die. Now the only difference between using these 2 size dies is the thickness of the cutting board. So when you have the 1 1/4 dies, you don't want to use the thick cutting board. You want to take that out, and you're going to replace it with a 1/2 inch cutting board. Now the 1/2 inch cutting board you don't need to have on top, especially with your acrylic based die. What you can do, let me cut you a piece here. We'll go ahead and do it like this. I'll cut a piece off here and we will so we'll be able to get 3. Now let's use this longer one. You can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's going to be 5 layers of material on here. Now what you do is you just take, and you can maximize the amount of material you're using by positioning your die and your material in a position that's going to maximize your cutting. And you want to try to keep everything as close to center as possible when you're cutting. So you want to slide that in. You can hear it pop through. And you can get quite a few more pieces out of that particular pattern. As you can see, you can get 15 pieces instead of just the 2 layers that you could cut with the other size die. So that's something to think about for future die references. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'll explain some more to you. I'll send this video over to you so you'll have it. And thank you, ladies.